welcome back to my channel! So again, meron naman po tayong bagong video! So as you can see in the title down below, it's all about the Q&A. And meron tayong kasama from the royal family from England. Ayun, so it's Mel! Say
Hello.
hi! Oh.
Hey, hi guys!
Okay, explain what are we going to do.
Okay, so
for
yung gagawin
today.
natin, we are going to have here, bubunot ng questions one by one, and then we are going to answer. We are going to answer this.
Ayan. So, ayun nga po, katulad ng sinabi niya, we're going to answer the questions.
We have, how many questions do we have here?
20 questions.
Okay, 20 questions.
So, we have the questions, and then we're going to read it first, and then we're going to answer.
Yes, okay.
And sana magustuhan ninyo. So, let's do it!
Do it. Me first.
Okay. First question.
Okay, this is first question. Okay, from Memories of Love, can a boy and girl be a best friend? Yes, of course. Okay, so here, gender is not a big deal, right? Okay, kapag magkaibigan, so wala siyang pinipiling gender, wala siyang pinipiling kasarian, okay, either it's a boy or boy, girl or girl. It's not the matter. What the matter is, okay, nagkakaintindihan kayo, right? Okay, what the matter is, you're friends.
Yes. Wala naman yun sa wala naman yun sa gender.
Everyone is equal.
Oo. So, a boy and a girl can be best friends.
Yes.
Okay, the next question is from Unbreakable Love. Ang sabi niya, what do you do when you can't sleep?
Okay, so when I can sleep, I just open the light, okay, and read. Or sometimes I open a YouTube and then watch videos.
Yeah,
Okay,
because
until I
you love-
get tired
you love
and
reading.
get sleepy.
Also me, watching YouTube, videos, vlogs. Ayun, pag hindi ako nakakatulog, ganun. O di kaya,
Yes.
nagmumuni-muni.
Yeah.
Ayun. So, next question.
Thinking anything and everything, right?
Yeah.
Okay, the next question here, the third question is this. What is the first thing you would do if you won the lottery? Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, of course,
Next
and
question is from
this question is from okay,
Mantelligence.
Mantelligence.
Mantelligence, the Facebook page.
Okay, of course, I'm going to help my parents first. Okay, I'm going to what? Okay, I'm going to help my siblings too. Okay, family first. Okay, and there's okay, of course, myself and our needy brothers, right out there. Okay, so we need to help them.
Yeah.
That's
Ganun
why.
din sa akin. Na first thing din na gagawin ko. O
That's the
bibilhin
essence
ko.
of life, helping others.
Yeah. Ang unang gagawin ko nang bibilhin ko pag nanalo ako sa loto, syempre yung talagang pangailangan ng magulang ko.
Yes,
Ayun. Bahay!
I'm going to use that for the ease of my family
Yeah. Bahay.
and for the others as well.
So, yun. So, next question is from It's Alice. Hi, Alice. If you're watching, I know you're watching.
Alice is her best friend.
Yeah, my best friend here.
Hi, Alice.
Hi, Alice. This question is, the question is how to mend the broken
How to mend a broken heart.
Oh, Alice, are you experiencing a
How to
broken
mend a
heart?
broken heart.
Oh, baby, I love
Yes.
you. Wait. Yes. Broken-hearted ka ba? Ito single. Joke!
Oh my God, we're the same.
So what are
We're
you
the same.
how do you mend the broken heart?
Okay, broken heart. Okay, just move on. Just forget the past. Okay, you're going to treasure something that is worth it to be treasured, but you're going to forget all those bad moments, right? From that, you can move on, and then of course, time will heal you.
You know, how to
From-
mend your
from-
broken
from
heart.
that.
Maybe you're experiencing a broken heart. Yun. So, time heals and of course, focus on yourself na lang, ganun lang gagawin. So, ayun talaga, medyo mahirap. Siguro madaling sabihin.
Just
yung
think
iba.
of another thing
Oo.
for you to move on.
Madaling sabihin. Siguro
Do not
madaling
rely
sabihin.
on that experiences.
Oo, madaling sabihin pero mahirap talaga gawin. Oo, pero magandang gawin dyan, think positive. Positive. Ayun, tsaka isipin mo na lang yung mga bagay na...
Think the present.
Oo, yung mga bagay na... Sa'yo, wag mo na yung isipin yung mga dati-dati
Yes.
na ano. Yung mga
Okay,
kasama pa
do
kayo.
not rely on the past.
Yeah.
Because you're going to rely on the past. You're
Tsaka wag ka bumalik doon sa
you're
mga
just going
lugar.
to remember those bad things, those moments, and then you're going to have your moment to...
Oo. Tsaka wag kang bumalik doon sa mga lugar na pinuntahan nyo kasi maaalala mo lang siya. Oh. Ayun, joke lang. Okay, next question. Question is from the Success Coach. Ayun, Facebook page din to. After this lockdown, where's the first place you're going?
Okay, first place we're going. Okay. So, of course, I missed malling. Okay, I'm going to the mall and then my friend's house. It's the first thing I'm going to do.
So, ako,
I already missed life outside.
yeah, I miss life outside. If it is, Saturday, yun, makipagkita ako sa friend ko. Tapos, pag Sunday, mag-church. Pag Monday, pasok sa trabaho. Ayun lang ngayon. Ayun.
Yes.
Next question.
If it's weekdays, of
Yeah.
course, you need to go to work.
Work.
So next question is, what type of post on Facebook annoys you? This from Prince Colo. Okay.
What types of Facebook annoys?
For me, the posts that annoys me are those something personal that should not be posted, right? For example, may kagalit ka, and then you post something about him, about her. Okay, so why you don't talk to him or her personally, right? Because social media is not the it's not something, what they call that one, it's not the channel for your emotions to be what to be broadcasted to the rest of
It's
the
not the right channel.
the public, right? Because everyone can read it, everyone will know it, right? So pwede mo bang isigaw sa buong mundo or sa maraming tao? Okay, na ito yung kasalanan ng iba. Okay, right? Of course not.
So, yun.
It's something personal.
Ganon din sa akin. Naiinis ako dun sa mga post na
That's very unprofessional.
Oo.
Right?
Ganon. Unprofessional yung mga ganon. Pag galit ka sa tao, huwag mong ipopost.
Talk to him personally.
Oo, huwag mong ipopost kasi yun hindi magandang talaga, paraan ng kasi mas lalo kayong magkakagalit.
Magkakasira.
So,
kapag
kailangan
na-post mo at nalaman ng iba, hindi mo na
hindi
maibabalik.
mo na maibabalik.
Yung bagay na nasira mo, yung basong nabasag mo, hindi mo na maibabalik.
Hindi mo na siya maibabalik. Ganun siya dapat kausapin mo siya
hindi mo na mababalik sa dati.
Kausapin mo siya in person, di ba?
Yeah, kausapin in person.
Usap kayong dalawa ilan kayong nagkakasakitan wag niyo ipopost kasi nakakainis yung ganun. Naiinis ako sa ganun. Tsaka yung mga broken hearted na nagpo-post.
Right.
Okay. So next one is
next?
What is love for you from Ivy Lucas? What is
From
love for
Ivy
you?
Lucas. Okay, for me, love is a feeling of selflessness. Okay, when you really love, you're thinking the sake of other people rather than yourself. Okay, right? Okay, just as how God offered himself for the sake of us, right? That's why he is our example.
Of the greatest love.
Yeah, that's the
Greatest love.
Yeah.
So love, ayun. Minsan talaga, mahirap din yung love, pero when you believe, hindi siya mahirap. Ayun. So love is love.
Pag sinabi mo kasing love, hindi lang naman yung love mo sa jowa mo, love mo sa shota mo, love to your family, love to other people, love to your friends, right? Okay, yun yung sinasabi nating love, okay? And then, kapag nagmamahal ka, you're going to really give it. Nang hindi ka naniningil after that.
Yes.
Right? Okay, and for the sake of...
Unconditional love.
Yes, and for the sake of others. Hindi mo inuunan sarili mo, okay, hindi nila ako love, and then, pero love ko sila, so I'm not going to love them anymore. It's not.
So,
Because
yun,
love is selflessness.
Yes. Okay, number 8. Number 8 na ba tayo?
Yeah.
Number 8 is...
Okay, so number 8, what does it mean when a butterfly lands on you? Okay, nothing.
From
Sunshine Pinos, nothing. Ibig sabihin, so it means baka nag-perfume ka ng marami kaya naman yung butterfly.
Oh, may bulaklak ka?
Yeah, because butterfly loves what they
Love
call
the smell of
good
flower.
smell.
Oh. So, ibig sabihin, para sa akin, kasi merong mga pamahiin ng ganun, Dad, di ba?
Okay.
Pag naglaland yung butterfly sa'yo, minsan sabi nila, oy, si Lolo yan, si Lola yan. Ganun. May maraming pamahiin. Pero, pwede ba yun? Nasa
Okay.
butterfly?
That's a folk belief.
Okay. Next question is
Okay,
number
so
9. Number 9 question. This is from the unknown. Hindi na kasi alam kung sino ba ito. Sino ba ito
What is
nagbigay?
your-
Unknown. What is your greatest fear?
Oh my God, my greatest fear is growing old. You know why? Kasi pag tumatanda ka, may mga bagay na hindi mo na kaya. Nagagawa mo ngayon na hindi mo na kayang gawin kapag tumatanda ka. Right? Okay, another one, baka pagtanda ko, makalimutin ako. Baka pagtanda ko, or mahina na ako. I'm already not able. So, yun yung pinakatakutan ko. Growing old.
Sa akin naman, kinatatakutan ko sa lahat. Siyempre, mawala yung family ko kasi family is
Yes, of
love.
course.
Family is love. Ayan. So,
Yeah.
yun ang pinaka-ano ko. And then, siyempre, yung mga taong malalapit sa akin. Ganun. Okay. Next question. 10.
Number 10, what is your dream job? Okay, my dream job. Okay, actually, it was my dream job and still my dream job now. Okay, to work in a bank. Okay, that's why before I would want to take up accountancy or business management. Okay, but my mother wanted me to be a teacher. That's why I followed her advice. Okay.
That's why you're a teacher now.
Yeah. Okay, but before when I was a kid, when I was really a small boy, okay, I would want to be a priest. Okay, maybe because my family is really devoted Catholics. Okay, so every time we went to the church, every time we attended mass. Okay, I really look at those priests. I really amazed with them
Nagugustuhin.
wearing the sotana. Okay,
Yeah.
so I
Because
would like
of their
yes.
uniforms.
Yeah, because of their clothes.
Yeah,
I felt that they were angels.
So you want
And every
to be
time
an
I go,
angel.
I went to the church. I felt I was in heaven.
Mhm.
Okay, but of course,
That's your
everything
dream job.
everything changes.
Ako
About
din.
you?
Ako din naman yung ko yun.
You would want to be a nun.
No. I never dreamed that. Just sorry. Pero sa akin naman yung yung dream job ko talaga, yun gusto ko talaga din maging teacher kasi nung bata ako naglalaro kami ng teacher, ganon, teacher. Tapos pero yung pinaka gusto ko talaga na may trabaho kasi siyempre nakikita ko siguro sa TV or magazines or ever habang lumalaki-laki ganon.
Yes.
Habang lumalaki na kasi wala namang
Sometimes
ganun.
kasi we are influenced by what we see, what we observe.
Ganun. So gusto ko talaga maging corporate girl. Corporate girl. Gusto ko magtrabaho sa corporate world.
Yes.
Kasi maganda yung mga uniforms. Joke lang. So uniform lang talaga naka-focus. So next question, number 11 na tayo. Okay, next question. Why do we close our eyes when we pray, cry, dream, and wish from the unknown? Hindi ko na alam kung saan galing yan. Basta.
Of course, that's why it's unknown. Okay. The reason why do we close our eyes every time we cry, we pray, we dream, because maybe really feel that moment. The time we pray, the time we cry. It's all about emotions.
Kasi parang siya parang inner part.
Yeah, and the gesture tells,
Inner
okay, tell us something about it.
Ganun. Kasi di ba pag nag-wish ka, sige mag-wish ka na. Di ba pag nag-blow ka
Yes.
ng candle pag sa mga cake, pag-wish ka na
Because
nakapikit ka.
emotions is coming from the heart.
Yeah.
That's why.
Ibig sabihin,
So,
yung-
kumukuha ka din ng hugot. That's
pag
why
nag-wish ka.
you tend to do like this.
oo, ganun.
That's
Kasi, yun, parang good things, parang ganun. Good things are not be
But
seen.
that's always,
Cannot
of
be seen. It
course.
felt by the heart, sabi. So, okay, next question.
What is your nickname?
What is your nickname?
Okay, since
Palayaw.
Yeah.
Palayaw ba tawag
Palayaw.
doon? Anong tawag sa atin?
it's Hayo.
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 Hayo, palayaw
Okay.
nickname.
Yeah, since we are Ilonggo or Hiligaynon, Ilonggo or Hiligaynon the same.
Yeah.
Okay, from
We came from different, the royal family.
Yes, okay. So I am called as Nonoy or Nono. Okay, right?
Ako, madami. Madami ako. Alam niyo na, ano ba pangalan ko?
Especially for the girls, 'di ba? In our
Probinsya.
yeah, in our region, usually kay they call it as Gaga,
Nga.
right?
Ano ba ba? Sa madami. Tapos dito ngayon, Shell,
Yes.
Mitch, a lot, nagbabago. Miss Ciel.
Or sometimes Inday, right?
Inday.
But for the Cebuano, they have their dong for
Dong.
dodong for
Tapos pag
or-
Iday,
or
Idoy.
Inday.
Joke lang.
That's for what I the Iday.
Ayan. So, next.
Okay. For Ilonggo, it's Noy, To, or Day.
Okay, the next question is from
Yes.
Dakaripa Johannes. How is lockdown treating you?
Okay, so this lockdown,
Yeah.
I got realizations in life that we have to value life more than anything else in this world. Another one, okay, of course, life should be enjoyed, right? Okay, so like this, life outside should be enjoyed. Life, dealing with other people should also be valued and enjoyed, right? And then, at this time, maraming namamatay, maraming pumanaw na mga kapatid natin. So from that on, you will learn that life is too short. Okay, another one, ang buhay parang isang basong babasagin. So ibig sabihin, at any time pwede kang mawala. Right? So kailangan, pag nabuhay ka, you are going to live it wonderfully.
Yeah.
That's the essence of living.
Ayun. So, medyo mahirap talaga yung treatment ng lockdown natin ngayon. Pero, mas okay siya para naman safe tayo.
Yes.
Ganun. So, yun, mahirap,
and then the
boring.
freedom we had before, so kailangan pala gamitin ko ito sa tama.
Oo. Tsaka, hindi, paano naman nakikita natin, boring na boring ka. Samantalang meron nga mga, dyan, mga tao walang bahay.
Yes.
Diba ganun? So, dapat, natin, mag-pray lang tayo. Habang nasa bahay
You're
tayo,
going
stay
to make
home.
yourself safe as always. Right.
Next question is from The Untold Story, the Facebook page. Why are you still single?
Okay, it's my choice.
It's your choice.
Of course, right?
Yeah.
I'm happy to be single. Kasi pag single ka, walang nagdidikta sa'yo. Pag single ka, malaya ka. You're free to do anything you want. Right? Unlike, kapag meron ka ng partner in life, okay, so hindi mo kailangang, what do you call that one? After work, punta ka na dito, punta ka ganyan. No. Kasi may naghihintay sa'yo. May naghihintay sa bahay. Another one, of course, yung mga expenses wise for your family. Right? Hindi na para sa sarili mo lang. Kasi meron ka ng binubuhay. Unlike kapag single ka, hawak mo yung lahat, hawak mo yung oras.
Masaya.
Okay, yes. Hawak mo yung pera mo. You can spend it to anything. Right? Na gusto mo. Okay, mabibili mo yung ganito, mabibili mo ganyan. Right? Sometimes that is the advantage of being single. Di ba? Okay, so akala ng iba, sabi ng iba, or ganito, mag-boyfriend ka na, you're already 25, 26, 27, or like this, okay? Pero kung dyan siya naging masaya, so,
ganun.
why do we have to force him, or why do we have to force
kasi
her?
ano talaga, yun ang sa'yo muna ngayon. Siguro wala pang kaya, siguro wala pa yung tinakda, hindi pa pinapanganak, kaya ganun.
Yeah. So, kung magsawa ka na sa pagiging single, at nalulungkot ka na sa pagiging single, then, it means it is already a time na to settle down.
Ganun.
right?
Kasi ano
Pero
eh.
hanggang masaya ka in that
Mm.
page of your life, then go on.
Ayun. Kusang darating yun. Basta ano ka lang, happy life.
Happy life.
Okay, next question. Next question, read it. Read it.
Okay, this is fourth to the last from Alice again.
It's from Alice.
Where do
Hi!
you want to travel to and why? Okay, actually may
Wait. Kasi to si Alice, yung friend ko, very ano yan, traveling? Traveling.
gala.
Gala siya, kaya yan yung tanong niyan. Kung
Yes.
hindi yan gala, broken. Joke lang. Hi, peace. Around the world, and there's all access. So, ano rin, joke lang.
Okay, here.
Okay.
So I want to travel to Spain. That is my dream country. You know what?
Spain.
Okay, I like to visit Barcelona. I like to visit Madrid. I like to taste the original, the authentic Spanish food. Actually, our food are really Spanish, but when you go there, the taste is
There's a
really different, original, right?
It's original.
Okay,
taste.
of course, the places, those antique buildings, the churches, the cathedrals,
Oo, ako
and
din.
others.
Ako ganun. Paris, France.
Okay, that's why I'm studying Spanish.
Yeah.
Okay, so I was
Yes.
really to
He has a lot of books
Yes.
of books dictionary about the
yes,
ano,
books and dictionaries.
the Spanish languages.
Okay, yes.
Languages.
Okay, about instructions
Yeah.
in Spanish.
He has a lot of
Okay,
those books.
estudio mucho y hablo español mucho.
What is the meaning of that?
Okay, I study much and I now speak much Spanish.
Yeah.
And of course, tengo muchos amigos
You have
españoles. I
you
have many Spanish friends.
friends.
Okay.
May I also have Spanish bread. bread.
Yeah, Spanish
Joke
friend.
lang. Spanish friend, but we don't
Do
talk
you, do you,
anymore.
do you know what
We don't
Spanish
talk
for
anymore.
Spanish bread? If you're
Spanish
going to
bread,
translate
yeah.
it literally, it's pan de español.
Pan de español.
Pan de español. Pan de español.
Pan de español. Parang pan de Manila.
Nice.
Joke.
Just like
that.
yeah.
Ako din Paris, France. Kasi gusto ko mapuntahan yung Eiffel Tower.
Yes,
That's
Paris,
my
France.
favorite.
Actually, magkalapit lang yun. Italy,
Kalapit lang.
France, Spain.
Ako pa pumunta ka doon, tapos ano
Romania.
mag-gita
Kasi
tayo doon. Joke lang.
Yes, those are Latin countries in Europe.
Oh, France! Mapupuntahan na kita soon. Okay,
Of
next.
course, I like to visit Latin America too. Those are mostly Spanish-speaking countries like Mexico, Colombia, Argentina, and so on and so forth.
Ako din, gusto ko lang mapuntahan Japan. Isa sa Japan, Korea.
And you know what? Okay, why studying Spanish is really good for you. Okay, because if you know how to speak Spanish, you can also understand Portuguese. You can understand Italian
Because same.
and French. Yes, they're almost the same. They came from one Latin language. There are branches of Latin language.
Meron naman akong alam ng mga Spanish language, pero just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Okay, actually in Visaya, right?
Yeah.
We have lots of
Lot
Spanish
of
words.
Spanish words.
We call that as loan words in Spanish.
Okay, the next question is,
Okay na.
how to move on from its Alice?
Okay, actually this question is just like question before. So how to mend a broken heart?
Just like
Okay,
the
just like
question.
that. Of course, forget the past.
Just forget the past.
Okay, continue your life. Okay, enjoy the happy moments.
Yes.
Okay, and then
Focus on yourself.
yes, focus on yourself. And then from that you can already move on.
Yeah, and don't go back to the places that the two of you.
Don't always rely on the past because
Yeah.
past is past.
Past is past.
You're already in the present. Just focus on the present and
I
look
must
at
forget you.
yes and look forward to the future.
You must forgive me too.
Next.
The next question.
That's the last one.
Oh, this is the last. Oh,
Okay, second
it
to
is
the
the
last.
second to the last. It's from birth months from the Facebook page. Longest friendship you had.
Almost longest friendship I had. Okay, actually my
Almost 30 years. 30
almost
years.
30 years. My
Almost
friend when
28.
I was in
No, not.
almost
It's
in-
you. You almost
almost
30.
right? Almost 30 years. Okay,
Me.
my friend one since I was in grade 1, so is still my friend
until now.
until now. Okay, but of course they're already in the other places. So sometimes we just chat through Facebook page, through Messenger. Okay, that's the way of communications. But because mostly we're already busy. Okay, my friends are already busy. I'm busy too. Sometimes we are just we don't have time enough to chat.
Sa akin siguro mga 14 years. 14 years.
Important there is we're still friends.
14 years kasi syempre ilang taon pa lang naman ako
14
ngayon.
years.
14. Okay, the last one.
Since from your high school?
No, ele.
Friend
Kasi
from
grade
your
6.
grade
Kasi
6.
grade 6.
Okay.
Next. Oh! Last questions. What is that? Read it. It's
You are
from
sleeping.
from the secret wife. Swife?
Yeah, secret swipe. You're sleeping and you're hungry. You have butter, cheese, and juice in the fridge. What is the first thing you open? I'm going to open my eyes first. And then I'm going to open the refrigerator. And then I'm going to get anything there.
Anything what you want.
Oh, yes.
Kasi ang
Either
tanong nga
is-
you are sleeping and you are hungry. You have butter, cheese, and juice in the fridge. What the first thing you open?
After I open the fridge, I'm going to open the juice.
Juice.
And-
Kasi because
Yes,
you're thirsty.
because we cannot eat butter alone or juice alone. But we can drink juice
Drink
alone.
juice, yeah. Ganun
Right.
nga. Open your eyes first. Baka naman meron dyan, buksan agad yung juice. Kasi nga, tulog ka pa kaya, di open mo muna yung mata mo.
Right.
Ganun.
That's correct.
So now we are down. So that's it for our Q&A. And hope you guys enjoy watching. So yun. So now we're in the lockdown, in enhanced community quarantine. We are staying at home. At sana po huwag tayong matigas ang ulo, huwag tayong labas ng labas. Maghugas po tayo palagi ng kamay. At ayun, mag-pray. Mag-pray tayo palagi. Huwag natin kalimutan mag-pray kasi itong nangyayari sa atin ngayon, hindi to permanent, mawawala to.
Yes.
In Jesus' name. Ganun. So, dapat mag-pray tayo palagi. So, yun. So, meron tayong mga panahon ngayon para kung kasama niyo yung family niyo, meron kayong family time together. Maganda rin to kasi para magkaroon kayo syempre ng bonding time, 'di ba? Kasi sobrang dami nating time na hindi Pero katulad namin na hindi ko lang kami sa family namin, we're praying for them naman at they're safe and thank God. So, yun. Ano ang mo?
What?
Gusto mong itanong sa kanila?
Oh.
May
So
may
I love the
patanong.
question. Okay. The question is, what is the essence of your life?
Okay. So,
Yeah.
yun yung tanong niya, guys.
Bakit
So,
ka
pakisagot po
nabubuhay? Para
in the
kanino?
comment section.
Yes, to whom do you live for?
Ganun.
Okay, think
So,
of that.
ano yung mga realization nyo while in the quarantine? Ganun. Ganun. Kasi madaming mga pumapasok sa isip. Katulad naman sa amin, marami
Social-
kang realization. Sobrang
Okay,
dami.
okay.
So, thank you dun sa mga questions na binigay ng iba't ibang klaseng tao, ganun. So, maraming salamat sa panonood din. At sana meron kayong nakuhang
Lessons.
magandang sagot sa mga sagot namin, ganun. So, yun.
Lessons, knowledge, what more?
So, yun. So, mag-ingat po tayo palagi at wag po tayong, wag tayong labas ng labas. So, maraming salamat sa panonood at maraming salamat kay Mel kasi sinamahan niya ako for this Q&A. Ayun. So, nakasama ko na rin siya for my, nung nakaraang mga video ko also about Chubby Bunny with
Chubby
also
Bunny Challenge.
Chubby Bunny
with
Challenge
Teen.
with Teen. Hi, Teen! If you're watching, how are you? We miss you! Please come home! Ayun. So, hi! At shout out po natin lahat-lahat ng mga nanonood. Ang mga huligan. Ayun, mga sadyado mo.
Hey.
Hi sa mga huligan community po. Ayun. So, keep safe po tayong lahat. Always pray. And be good while staying home.
Be safe.
Ayan. Be safe. Be good while staying home. Ayan. So, maraming salamat po sa panonood. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo. Please do like if you enjoy. At yung mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe. Maraming salamat po. Hope to see you soon on my next vlog. Bye! See ya!